Okay, welcome to Dallas Stock Talk, where I talk about topics relating to investing in finance, but more specifically the stock market. In this video, I'll be going over the platform Otis. Otis allows you to buy and sell collectibles. Now, I'll give you an overall review because this is my first time going over it. I did a lot of other reviews on alternative investments, and one similar to that is Rally. If you want, you can check that out. I have a lot of all great alternative, not to beat my own home, but when we talking about alternative investments, I think I have a nice catalog of it, from wine, art, real estate, crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, NFTs, music royalties. I have a nice collection, so if you can check that out, if you're looking for alternative investments, definitely check out my playlist. And Otis is like I said, a platform that allows you to buy and sell collectibles, NFTs, and art. Now, the thing about this platform, Otis, is you have to have the app. What they'll do on this site is they'll show you the things the type of items that they're selling, but you won't know the price and you won't be able to buy and sell until you download the app. But just to show you, it shows you how it works. Otis makes investing in cultural significant collectibles, sneakers, and art easy and accessible. And I want to say the good thing about this is you can buy and sell pretty quickly. And actually, for experimental purposes, I'll actually try to like day trade NFTs. I tried it before, but it didn't work so well, but it is definitely possible. But yeah, like I said, here it works. Easy to buy and sell. You can manage your collection, real-time trading. This is actually legit. I tried that with an NFT. I'm actually gonna make a video trying to day trade NFTs. Day trading this day by day. This is something where, in my opinion, you will have to at least hold for maybe weeks or months, simply because it's not that. Let me turn that off. It's not that volatile where you can, it's not like you have leverage and stuff like that, but it's something where, to me, like, you can hold it for a couple weeks or a month or something like that. To me, the longer you hold it, the better chance you have in a decent amount of money. As we can see, look at the assets. This is like the collection of stuff that they have. Here's some NFTs that they have. It looks like a game, Sega Genesis game. So these are different types of catalogs of the stuff that they particularly have. They have a lot of NFTs now. They got some Jordans, first generation iPod. Looks like Yu-Gi-Oh cards, comics. So they have a large selection of things as well. And it's a lot more. They have a way you can do the catalog, where you can just click on so you can see the particular books that they have versus video games. And I believe they have a much larger selection, but they're just giving you an idea of some of the stuff that they end up having. And as a matter of fact, let's go down to the list. So it'll actually show you how the whole process works. Use our submission form, tell us about the item. They'll pretty much come up with a evaluation for it, and then they'll issue it to the SEC. This is actually if you wanted to post, or you actually want to sell your card to them, where they can end up distributing into fractional shares. They say low fees, collectible pays 0 fees, list on average, and then list on Otis, and sourcing fees to investors are only 5%. Retain equity, so collectors can keep a percentage of it as well, and it pretty much gives liquidity so that once they disperse shares, anyone inside that has the Otis platform can buy and sell. And like I said, this is how you sell on Otis versus the traditional auction house. So as you can kind of just compare the two, the goal is they're just trying to show you that if you sell on their platform, it's going to be cheaper. But I'm about to now go on the mobile app so you can see how the Otis platform works. Okay, once we click the Otis platform, this is exactly how it end up showing up once you sign up and everything. Like I said, it has a really easy user face. I'm just going to scroll up and scroll down so you can end up seeing. So this is exactly what you would see on the top left hand corner. You'll see the dollar amount and your all-time gains increase, the percentage increase or decrease, how much you're up or how much you're down,
As you see, initially they have the popular ones up at the top, so you can view all. So you can see the popular ones they have. You also can see which you need to trade, and you can click view all right here. Drops, different types. I'm not exactly sure what they mean by drops. And also you can have it where you can follow and track the price. There's some news articles about it. You can click the news articles so you can kind of read a little bit about those. Just want to let you guys kind of show you the overall interface. Also, if you click the search icon at the bottom, it organized everything into categories, which was recently sold, the increase and the decrease. They have art, the category of art. We can view all. See all the art that they have. Trading cards, video games, sports memorabilia. I noticed they have a lot of different genres, but the thing about it is, from what I've seen other platforms have like a lot more options. So like they said, they have Pokemon cards, but they only have 2, 4, 6, 8. Like I said, they got comics. They do have a lot of stuff on this platform. And if you would click this button right here, that would be your portfolio, little pie button. Right now, I don't have anything in there, but well, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to buy and sell. So you can buy and sell things at any particular time from, I believe it's 10 to 5:30. I think it's 10:30 to 5 o'clock. Let me show you how easy it is to buy and sell stuff from here. Patrick Mahomes. I'm gonna click on Patrick Mahomes. It's actually showing it's up 12% for the day. That's kind of a lot. So I'm just actually going to probably buy something else. Not this NFT. So let me see if something cool that we can buy and discover. I'll go with maybe some type of art here. Art's pretty cool. Go with this one. Much is that? $12. I'll end up buying that. Just click trade, hit buy. Then you can do however you want. It's letting me know that this is pretty common, that a lot of times when you pay for something, they sell it to you for a little bit higher. I'm assuming they do that to probably to make a little bit money with the spread, probably make a little bit of money. I noticed that's the only downside starts the increase of price 7% or 8%. So you might have to buy a little bit more than the market price. But if you hit submit bid, you can just enter in the maximum price that you're willing to pay. A lot of times it'll probably go down lower before they actually execute it, but at least you have a set amount. Say, I want to pay no more than this. I'm going to go trade by 1. I'm just going to hit review. They're kind of just letting me know, double check. Your average cost is $12.15, which is 17% higher than the average price, which was $11.33. Just going to click continue. And then right here, we're going to hit submit. It says your order will remain open. The open books for 90 days until cancel or executed. So we're just going to hit submit. And what happened is it pretty much goes through that fast. So I hit done. Now, as you can see, when we scroll down, it says that 1 share, average cost. It's just letting me know that, it's been submitted. It's really pending, but it'll end up clearing soon. Also, what you can do, let me show you how easy it is to sell. So we can trade, hit sell. We'll hit 1 again. Now, it's just letting me know that if I was going to sell it, the average price that they would sell it was $10.50, which would be 14% lower than the average price. So as far as the spread, a lot of times I do notice that they kind of allow you to, when you buy it, they kind of mark it up. And then when you sell it, you'll get less money for it. I'm assuming that Rally's kind of probably profit off of, or it may be make it easier for liquidity purposes. But I know it doesn't necessarily make logical sense, but I'm just kind of showing you how easy it would be to sell if you wanted to. So I'm gonna hit continue, and pretty much it takes maybe 5 or 6 seconds, pretty much done. So as far as a liquidity purpose, if you want to hold something, then you want to sell it immediately, you do have that ability. And let's just see, I'll just shows you the 1 day, 1 month, 3 month. It shows you the number of shares, average cost, some trading stats. You can even look at the trading history. I believe it's the last 50 trades, something like that. I can't actually remember. They tell you, what was listed, give you some information. They go over highlights on the artwork, recent sales, risk. This is kind of like a standard format that they have. They have financials, how many investors, total shares, when it was released. You can go to more details, artwork, work, year. Just kind of wanted to kind of show you guys each part of it as well. I'll just probably click on one more as far as the Kevin Durant. So it's kind of pretty much work exactly like the stock market. As far as it's not as volatile per day, it's a decent amount. As you can see for the month, 3 day in 3 months up 33%. That's actually a decent amount. And for 6 months it's down 30%. So collectibles that I noticed, they kind of really do fluctuate. I really don't know how to quantify, the value of it. But you probably just have to do a little bit more research, look for scarcity, look for things that might want to make it increase. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you guys hit the like button. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.